Leeks are one of the first wild edibles to pop out in the spring. So while I was turkey hunting, I managed to pick up some and come up with a pretty easy recipe. So hope you enjoy the video. Now I first started off by making a little pesto with some leeks, chopping them finely and putting them in a food processor with some olive oil. Now the whole point of this was to add it on top of the soup bowl when serving, but like an idiot, that was completely forgotten. But at least you now know how to turn these leeks into a pesto. So now I'm going to be chopping some more leeks, not as finely as the ones I made for the pesto, but just enough for it to cook down a bit faster. So first, you want to add about a stick of butter to a pan and melt it enough where it's almost bubbly. That's when you want to add in your leeks and also prepare about 2 cups of broth. I just added a chicken broth cube to some water and let it boil a bit. Now let your leeks cook down a bit, occasionally giving them a stir. Once they're about dark greenish, that's when you're ready to add your cubed potatoes. So now you just want to let your potatoes cook in the pot with the lid closed for maybe about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir it up a bit and add your broth, a cup of cream, and some spices if you really want to. Now I'll let that cook for another 5 minutes, occasionally stirring, and then I'll turn off the stove. I'll get a hand blender, mix it until it's about mashed potato texture, and you're basically ready to serve. Now I didn't realize how good this recipe was going to taste, but once I tried it I was really surprised. But I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Foraging during these times will keep you busy and also keep you outside, so you should definitely try this out. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. See you guys later.